In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide viewport borders in AutoCAD. This simple yet essential skill can greatly enhance the presentation of your drawings, making them cleaner and more professional. Let's dive in. The first step in this process is to create a dedicated layer specifically for your viewports. It's a common practice in AutoCAD to organize your drawing elements by layers, so this little tweak will keep your workspace neat and tidy. In this example, I'm going to create a new layer and name it Hidden. You can name it whatever you like, but I find Hidden clearly signifies its purpose. If you're unfamiliar with creating layers, there's no need to worry. You can do this by clicking on the Layer Properties Manager, a basic tool within AutoCAD. Once there, click on the new layer icon, which looks like a sheet of paper with a starburst. After it's created, be sure to name your layer accordingly, and remember, setting the layer color to something easily identifiable, like cyan or magenta, might be helpful initially to ensure you're moving the right elements to it. With your new layer created, the next step is to select your viewport. To do this, simply click on the edge of the viewport you want to hide. Make sure you're clicking directly on the border to ensure that only the viewport is selected and not any other objects or lines. Once it's selected, you should see grips appear along the edges of the viewport, indicating that you have successfully selected it. Now, it's time to move your selected viewport to the layer you just created. This is easily done by navigating to the Properties palette. If this isn't already open on your screen, you can open it by typing Properties into the command line, or by pressing Ctrl+1. Within the Properties palette, look for the drop-down menu that lists your current layers. Click on this menu and select the newly created Hidden layer from the list. After completing this action, your viewport is now officially part of this layer. For the final step, simply turn off the layer. You can do this by returning to the Layer Properties Manager. Locate the hidden layer in the list and click on the light bulb icon next to it. Doing this will turn off the layer, meaning anything placed on this layer, including your viewport border, will no longer be visible in your workspace. This doesn't delete the viewport itself, so your view of the drawing space within the viewport remains unaffected. And there you have it. Your viewport border is now hidden, creating a smoother and cleaner look for your drawings. I hope you found this tutorial helpful for improving the aesthetics and organization of your AutoCAD projects. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next tutorial.